Hi, welcome to this lesson on Ordinary Love by U2. So let's start with the solo first. Let me play it at full speed and then I will explain it and play it at a slower speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me play it now at a slower speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me play it now without delay so you can understand better what I'm doing. Okay, so no delay, no reverb, and let me play it at a slower speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have this part in where we are hammering on from B to C sharp, and we are playing this C sharp and this G sharp on the first string, and as a matter of fact we are always alternating between the third string and the first string with alternate picking, down, up, down, up. So the first part of the solo it's C sharp, G sharp, then I hammer on the third string, then I will keep repeating these notes with the rhythm that you saw before. Then I will do, I'm playing E and B, and I let the second string ring open, okay? Then I will do this descending line, E, D sharp, C sharp, and B on the third string. So okay, let me play it. Let me play this part once again. So the second part that we are going to study, it's that swells that we hear on the intro, which I'm not certain if it's done by the guitar, that kind of volume swells, or if it's done by some pad, some keyboard. But we can easily do this on the guitar, and it will be very cool, very nice. I will use these higher voicings here. I'm playing C sharp. Let me demonstrate it first. So I'm using the volume knob here on the guitar. I could also use the volume pedal on my pedal board, but to make it simple I will use my volume knob here on this Telecaster, which is easier to operate than on the Stratocaster. That's the reason why I change my guitar. So I play the chords with the volume knob down, and then I raise the volume knob, okay? And we'll have this effect. Okay, and we can have one guitar doing this all over the song, and that will be very cool. So which notes I'm playing on these voicings? On the C sharp minor I'm playing G sharp, C sharp and E. On the G sharp I'm playing G sharp, B and D sharp. On the B, which in fact is a B fifth, I'm playing F sharp, B and F sharp. And F sharp, I'm playing F sharp, A sharp and C sharp. I'm playing without sound because I have the delay and reverb connected, and which in fact it's very necessary to make these swells work better. So I've cranked up the feedback, and I've cranked up also the mix on my delay, and this is the effect that we get. So let me play it once again. Here we go. And this is it about those volume swells. So the first thing that we hear the guitar playing, it's this C sharp note with some delay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And he goes improvising with his two notes, just hitting the B when we are going for the end of the chord progression over the F sharp chord. Then at 55 seconds the piano gets in and starts playing the chords, just letting ring. We can play the chords here on the guitar also, just let ring the chords. Okay, when we get to the chorus, we hear the piano doing a rhythm which we can simulate here on the guitar. I will be playing the same chords that I played before, C sharp, G sharp minor, B and F sharp, but I will using this finger picking technique here on the right hand. I will play the root of the chords with my thumb and pick the other three notes with index, middle and ring fingers, like this. Play it a little bit slower. Okay, let's take a look now at that small riff that appears on the third verse. Let me demonstrate it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm playing this with just two notes, C sharp and B, and I'm always using 8 notes, playing alternate picking with a small palm mute, and I'm moving between the notes on the upbeat for the 1, on the 4 and, okay? Let me play it a little bit slower so you can understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and you change. Then you are here 2 bars, 2 chords, and then you go back to the C sharp. And this is it. Okay, let's take a look now at that small riff that appears on the second chorus. Let me demonstrate it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is played with this C sharp and E, this B and D sharp, and this A sharp and C sharp. It is played 3 times, 2 times on the chorus and that time just before the solo, that instrumental part. attention to the rhythm. I'm changing to this second chord on the forehand, so before the first tempo, and I'm doing a crescendo. So take a look at those small details. Let me just play it once again at a slower tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is it. So let's study now that slide part that we have after the solo. So for this I'm using this metal slide on my fourth finger. I'm not a slide specialist, but I think it will work. I'm using this neck pickup and I'm using some delay, and of course, and I'm tilting the slide a little bit so I can mostly hit the second string or touch the second string. On my right hand I'm muting all the strings except the second one, and I'm picking the notes with my index finger. Okay, so let me play this part first. So I'm doing a slide from F sharp, I'm doing a slide from F sharp to C sharp, then sliding down to B, and then the second part is a slide from C sharp to G sharp, and then sliding down to F sharp. Okay, let me just show you which chords we have here on this song. C sharp minor here on 4th position, G sharp minor, B, F sharp, E, and A major 7, which appears on the solo. So these are the chords that you can play, make your own arrangements or make some kind of acoustic version with it, and just sing along and follow the lyrics and chords transcription that I write for you. If you cannot play these chords, you can also use a capo here on the 4th position, and you will have those chords that I put on the left side, which are easier to do. A minor, E minor, G, D, C, and F major 7, which appears just on the chorus. So if you want to play this song in an easier way, you can just strum these chords, play some kind of rhythm, something like this. Okay? If you want to do something else, well, you can look back to the other parts that I've studied and play it with your band or with your friends. So, thanks for watching and good luck!